Hello everybody, once again, here we are. I'm doing another video on how to do Google Classroom assignments. So both apps that you will need this Google Classroom and you will need this Google Docs. And to get these, you will need a Gmail account. So now, the next thing we're gonna do is here, to start the assignments, I'm gonna click right on Classroom here. So I'm gonna click on it. When I click on it, it's going to take me to my classes. Now I can hit this little thing up here. What it does is it just opens up to show me all the classes that I am in. Okay, so now I can go to whatever class that I need to go to. So I'll scroll down. I'm going to start off with math, since I know there's a lot of people that have a hard time with the math. So what I do here is, once I click on math, I can see all the streams and everything, myself, Nate posting, we're just checking on students, and I advise everybody just comment in. So now what I'm gonna do down here, I know my screen's kind of cut off short. It's gonna say classroom, it's gonna say stream, classroom, and people. What you do need to hit is you need to hit this classwork thing. And I'm going to try to tilt it to see it. Yes, here we go. Now, when I tilt my phone, then I'm doing it on the phone, you can see the stream, classwork, and people. What you need to do is click on classwork. When I hit on classwork, now I have all the chapters of the Excel math curriculum. So for me, if I'm a beginner student, I'm just going to start off with the A book. Well, if some of our students are in different books, so they could jump in wherever. I'm going to start off with A. So once I click A, now it has all this stuff down here. Please, the assignment, the instructions, and your work and everything. So what I need you to do is you got to scroll this up. When you scroll this up, you'll see the Excel math assignment sheet, and you'll see the negative number answer sheet. Now, you want to hit this arrow to see the work. When I hit this arrow, look at that. It's going to have my name on it, and then my assignment. So once I click on that, it's going to take me right to this PDF. And this is where I tell students, now you will need to pull out a blank piece of paper and you will start working on it. So you see for the first one, it's A001 with the instruction sheet, how to do the work. We're going to go straight to A100. 100, some of you guys are familiar with this. You see how it says A100? You're going to want to write that on your answer key. So when you get a blank sheet of paper, write A100, and then you're going to write number 1, whatever your answer is, number 2, whatever your answer is, number 3, whatever your answer is. You're going to do that on the piece of paper you're using with your hand. Write all your answers down. Once I have all my answers down, see, I'm just going to do the first 7 questions. I'm going to do the 7. Now once I write that on paper, I can hit this X that's right at the top. I'm gonna get out of it. Once I hit that X, boom. Now I'm gonna go hit this down arrow down to bring this down. And then I'm gonna click on my Excel math assignment answer sheet. Now when I click on that, what happens? Now, I can't edit it. This is where a lot of people get stuck. What do I do? Now, you need to hit this little arrow, this box with an arrow going out of it. You need to hit that first. Now, when you hit that, it's going to take you to Google Docs. It may tell you to sign in under the account that you're doing the work in. Now, as you can see here, when I bring it up and down, there's still nothing here. So what I want everybody to do to keep it simple, hit these 3 dots up here. Now, when I hit those 3 dots, it's going to bring me to something like this. Now, when it brings me to this option screens, right under details is a share and export button. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit share and export. When I hit share and export, I'm going to hit save as a Google Docs file. Now, once I hit that, it's saving a new version of the file. It's going to save a version of the file now that I can edit. And I'm going to show you guys how to start editing it. So does this Google Doc thing hurry up and spin. There we go. Come on. Almost. Almost done. Now it's done. It's going to bring me back to the same sheet. It looks the same, but the only thing that's different now is this little pencil. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to want you to click on that pencil. When you click on that pencil, now look, I can edit it now. Now I'm going to write my name, Manny. And I wrote Manny, but always write your first and your last name so we can know whose work this is. Then I'm going to put the date. So today is, I believe, the 23rd. I'll just use it for now. And then all I'm going to do, it says, please list the unit and lesson number with your answers. So I'm doing A, 100, then press return. Then I can just start typing my numbers in. Number 1, 2, and these aren't right answers. Number 2, I got a -3. Number 4, number 3, I got 4. And then, you know, just play with the numbers. 6, and then we'll say this is -6. Okay? Now look at that. Once I'm done with this, I can hit, once I'm all set with this, I can just hit this check sign here. When I hit the check sign, and I'm going to hit this one more time so I can go back.